Okay, so hello everyone. So for today, we are going to continue the discussion in Mathematics 9, and we are going to talk about law of cosine. So our learning competency is to find the missing side of a triangle using the law of cosine. So last time, ang ginagamit natin is law of sine. Now we'll proceed to law of cosine. So what's law of cosine? So the law of cosine in any triangle ABC with A, B, and C as its sides, and A, capital B, and capital C are its angles. The formula for the law of cosine are, first, we have A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. Can also be B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. C squared is equal to B squared plus A squared minus 2BA cosine C. So there are three possibilities. Okay, explain natin isa-isa. So let us have the first case. So this is the first formula na pwede nyo ma-encounter at pwede natin gamitin. So kailan natin siya gagamitin? So we are going to use the first case if we are finding the value of side A. Okay, so side A ang hinahanap natin. Kung papansinin ninyo, kapag side A ang hinahanap, ang mga given natin, yung opposite angle niya which is angle A, and then side B and side C. So ang given natin will be A, B, and C. Pero yung A, that's angle. Since ang hinahanap natin is side A. Okay, kapag hinahanap natin ng side A, given ang angle A. O ganun din, kapag ang hinahanap natin is side B, ang given naman angle B. So this is the second case. Okay, so the second case, we have B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. So since ang hinahanap natin is side B, meron tayong given na angle B. Tapos yung remaining sides, given also. Okay? So yun yung palatandaan. Kung ano yung hinahanap natin na side, yung angle niya katapat given. So let's proceed to third case. Ang hinahanap natin dito is side C. So side C naman ang hinahanap natin dito, given ang angle C. So that's why the formula is C squared is equal to B squared plus A squared minus 2BA cosine C. So kailangan nyo lang i-memorize ang formula na yan or take note nyo lang para dire-diretso lang yung pag-solve. So in this case, given yung angles natin which is the opposite angle of the missing side, and given din yung side A and side B. So that's the third case. Another way, para tandaan kung anong gagamitin ninyo is, ang lagi nilang tatandaan, ang given natin kapag law of cosine, side, and given yung side natin dito, di ba? Side, and then angle, tapos side. So, SAS, SAS. Okay? Side, angle, side. So, we are going to use the law of cosine kapag ganyan ang given natin. Okay? So, that is, those are the possible cases na gagamitin natin in solving for a missing side using the law of cosine. Now, let's have an example. Okay? So, compared to law of sine, mas konting step nito, pwedeng dire-diretso yung pag-solve. So, let us have the example number 1. So, we are going to use, ayan, ang hinahanap natin dito is side A. So, if you will look at the given, ang given natin, angle A, kasi ang hinahanap natin is side A. Tapos side B, given din, side C, given din. So, what are the given? Angle A is 54 degrees. Side B is 13 and side C is 12. So we are going to use the formula. Ito. Yung A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. Okay? Now, we are going to use that formula. Then, substitute lang natin yung mga given natin. So B is 13, C is 12, minus 2 multiplied by the value of B which is 13 multiplied by the value of C which is 12. Then cosine angle A which is 54. Now, in your calculator, pwedeng dire-diretso yan. I-input nyo lang yan. 13 squared, ito yung squared. Then plus 12 squared minus. Ito, maglagay kayo ng parenthesis para tama yung magiging labas na sagot. So, open parenthesis, then 13, then close parenthesis, then 12. O ganyan din, then cosine 54. Now, kapag pinaras nyo sa calculator, ang lalabas sa sagot is 129.6110013. So kapag hindi nyo yan nakuha, ibig sabihin, it's either hindi kayo nakapaglagay ng parenthesis o kaya naman mali yung pagkaka-input ninyo. So kailangan nyo ulitin. Now, that's not yet the final answer. Bakit? We still need to cancel out itong square nito. So how do we do that? Ginagawa na natin yan dati. So we're going to extract the square roots. So cancel natin yan. So this will be canceled out since ini-square natin both sides. So this will be canceled out. Now what will remain? Para dun sa may calculator ninyo, ito press nyo lang dyan. kapag meron na yung sagot na 129.6110013, so wala kang ibang gagawin, next na ipipress nyo na agad is itong radical. Itong sign na to. Itong key na to rather. So press yung radical, tapos answer, tapos equals. Tapos ang lalabas sa sagot dyan will be 11.38468275. Kapag hindi yan nakuha, ibig sabihin kailangan yung ulitin magmula dito sa umpisa. Now, we just need to get the 2 decimal places. So round off lang natin. So the final answer is 11.38. Okay? So that's the missing side. So that's how we use the law of cosine. So again, if ang i-press nyo lang dyan after nyo makuha itong 129.6110013, press nyo agad yung radical. Ito, yung square root dyan. Then answer, tapos equals. Yun lang kailangan yung yun lang kailangan yung i-press. Okay, let's proceed to example number 2. So for example number 2, ang missing naman natin dito is side B. That's why given ang angle B natin. So what are the given? Angle B is 37 degrees, side A is 7 feet, then side C is 10 feet. Okay, so ang gagamit nating formula, yung B. Okay, since ang hinahanap natin is B. So B squared minus A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. So we're just going to substitute the given. So A is 7, C is 10, then minus 2 multiplied by the value of A, which is 7, multiplied by the value of C, which is 10, then cosine angle B, 37 degrees. Now, in your calculator, i-press nyo lang yan ng minsanan. Dito, 7, tapos sa inyong squared, then plus 10 squared, tapos minus, open parenthesis, 7, close parenthesis, tapos open parenthesis ulit, tapos press nyo yung 10, then close parenthesis. Then, ito yung cosine, katabi lang ni sine, tapos 37, and then press equal sign, ang lalabas sa sagot dyan is 37.19, 10, 28, 59. Kapag hindi nyo nakuha yan, ibig sabihin meron kayo na-miss na process. Ulitin nyo lang. Now, pagkatapos nyo makuha to, press nyo lang yung radical. Ito radical, answer, plus equals. Ang lalabas sa sagot dyan is 6.09844760. Then, just get the total decimal places. The answer is 6.10. So that is the law of cosine. So that's how we solve law of cosine.